Hello dear students, this is Alok sir. Hope you all are enjoying the days and doing your study honestly. In this video, I will explain some basic numericals based on quantization of charges and Coulomb's law of class 12th. These questions are very basic and direct related from the formula. So let us start then. Two identical metal spheres having equal and similar charges repel each other with a force of 1800 Newton when they are placed 10 cm apart in a medium of dielectric constant epsilon r. Determine the charge on each sphere. So question, two spheres are given. Let this is sphere 1 and charge on the sphere is q, and this is sphere 2, charge on this sphere is also q, because both the charges are similar and they are apart from a distance r. Also given repulsion force is 1800 Newton and dielectric constant of the medium is given 5. So these are the information provided by the question. We will use the formula from Coulomb's law. We know that attraction force or repulsion force equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. This is the formula for finding attraction or repulsion force between two charges given by Coulomb's. Now when the charges are placed in a medium of dielectric constant of some dielectric constant, the formula will be F equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r and q1 q2 by r square. So we will use this formula because a dielectric constant is given. Now use this formula and put the values. F is given 1800 Newton. 1 upon 4 pi, we know that value of 1 upon 4 pi is 9 into, this is a constant, and value of this much equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. This is the formula. And epsilon r is given, that is 5, and q1 q2 both charges are same. So q into q by r is given. R is given 10 centimeter apart. So R is what? R is given 10 centimeter. So in SI unit 10 to the power 1 meter. This is the value of R, distance. So this is 10 to the power minus 1 meter square. Now we have put the values. Now calculate this. 1800 Newton equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into q square by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now 1800 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 into q square. Now separate q square. So q square equals to 1800 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 over 9 into 10 to the power 9. Or solve this. 9 2 ja 18. So 200 into 5 10 to the power minus 2 over 10 to the power 9. This is 1000 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2, and this will be in exponent, this will be 10 to the power minus 9. Now change 100 into exponent form. This is 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 9. So q square is this much. Now solve this. This will become 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 11. So this becomes 10 to the power minus 8. We can also write 10 to the power minus 4 square, like that. So q square is equals to 10 to the power minus 4 square, and q equals to 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb. So this is the charge, this is the magnitude of charge we have calculated when the sphere of charges q are apart from a distance r. So this is the answer. We have used Coulomb's formula and calculated the answer. Now see the next question. The next question is that in an hydrogen atom, the distance between the electron and proton is 5.3, 10 to the power minus 11 meter. Calculate the electrical force of attraction between them. Very simple question this is. Only put the formula and calculate the answer. First write the information provided by the question, and the information is r is given, distance between an electron, that is E minus, and a proton, that is E plus, and there is a distance between them, that is r. So r is given 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter, and you must know that charge on an electron is, that is E minus, is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 11, sorry, minus 19, not minus 11 coulomb, and e to the power E plus, that is charge on a proton, is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Magnitude of charges in an electron and proton are same, only their polarity is different. Now put the values. We know that force of attraction or repulsion between two charges is F equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 over R square. Now put the values. We know that the value of this constant, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Now we will put the values in this given formula, and it will be F equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9, and Q1 Q2 means 1.6. Since Q1 Q2 in a modulus form, so we will write the positive value. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 square. Magnitude are same, so that will be square, and now divided by R square. R is given, that is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11. So we'll write here 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 square. Now we will calculate the values. This will become 9 into 10 to the power 9 square of this term, that is 1.6 into 1.6, and 10 to the power minus 19 square. It will become 10 to the power minus 38 over 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 square. So this will become 5.3 into 5.3 and 10 to the power minus 22. Now we will write the integers, write the numbers in one side and powers in one side. So that will become 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 and 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 38 divided by 5.3 into 5.3 10 to the power 22 minus 22, sorry. So this is 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 divided by 5.3 into 5.3, and power is 10 to the power 9 minus 38 plus 22. So this is, calculating this, we will get 8.2 into 10 to the power 9 minus 38 plus 22. What is the result? 9 plus 22, this is 31, and minus 38, this is 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power minus 8, this will become 9 plus 22, that is 31, minus 38. Next question is that calculate the Coulomb force between two alpha particles separated by a distance 3.2 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Very simple question is this. You must know the charge contained in an alpha particle. An alpha particle is nothing but an helium atom. Means an alpha particle is made up of 2 proton and 2 neutron. So the charges or the charge in alpha particle is equals to 2e plus, or charge in alpha particle we can write 2e plus, means magnitude of charge in alpha particle 2 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, or charge on an alpha particle is equals to 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge on an alpha particle. It is nothing but an helium atom. So, two alpha particles are separated by a distance distance is given 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. We have to calculate the Coulomb force between them. So necessary information are given, Q and R is given. We will use the Coulomb formula. So formula is that F equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. And we know that the constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. This is the value of this constant. Now put the values. So F equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by Q1 Q2, that is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19, or multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 3.2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 divided by R square. R is what? 3 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 15 square. Now we will solve that. So 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by 3.2 square into 10 to the power minus 19 square. Also it can be written as 3.2 square multiplied by 10 to the power minus 15 square. This will be eliminated. We will get 9 into 10 to the power 9, and the power is 10 to the power minus 38, and this is 10 to the power minus 30. So ultimately the solution will become 9 into 10 to the power 9, sorry, this is plus 30, 9 minus 38 plus 30. This will become 9 into 10 to the power 9 minus 8, or this is 9 into 10 to the power 1, or force equals to 9 into 10, that is 90. So force of repulsion between them is, between the alpha particle is 9 into 10, that is 90 Newton. So this is the answer. Very simple question was this. Only you have to know the charge contained in an alpha particle. We have calculated the electrical force or Coulomb force between two alpha particle, and which is 90 Newton. Now see the next question. Next question is that a polythene piece rubbed with wool is found to have negative charges of 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb. Two questions is given. One question is that estimate the number of electron transferred, and second is that is there transfer of mass from wool to polythene. This question is from quantization of charge, and from the theory of quantization of charge we know that Q equals to plus minus NE, where N is an integer, that is 1, 2, 3 something, and E equals to an electronic charge, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. This is the theory of quantization of charge, and this question is based on the quantization of charge. What is given? Q is given. Q is equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb. To calculate the first question, in first question we have to calculate, estimate the number of electron transferred. So we know that Q equals to NE, or N equals to Q over E. Q is given 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 7, and E equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this is 3 over 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 plus 19 using exponent rule. This will become 1.875 multiplied by 10 to the power 12. So this is the number of electron transferred we have calculated from the formula. Total number of electron transferred is 1.875 into 10 to the power 12. Now second question is that is there transfer of mass from wool to polythene? Definitely there is a transfer of mass, because when total number of electron that much is transferred, so mass of an electron is what? EM. EM equals to 9.1. Mass of an electron, you must have to know, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. This is the mass of electron, 31 kg. So total number of electron transfer, total number of electron is that much transferred. So total mass transferred, question number 2, total mass transferred equals to N and EM, that is mass of an electron. N is 1.875 N into 10 to the power 12, and EM is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So 1.875 multiplied by 9.1, and power is 10 to the power 12 minus 31. 10 to the power 12 minus 31. This will become, solving this we will get 17.06 into 10 to the power 19 minus 19. So this is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 18. So this is the total mass transferred. that much kg. Total mass transferred. Total mass transferred is equals to 1.7 10 to the power minus 18, and this mass is negligibly very small. This mass is very small mass. So we have calculated this question using the theory quantization of charge. So this was the last question. In next part of the video, I will again bring some question from Coulomb's law and quantization of charge. Till then, practice properly and stay tuned.